Hi foodies, welcome back. I made some really easy Barbe-Jerk chicken wings. Why do I call it Barbe-Jerk? Because it has a little jerk flavor and a little barbecue flavor. All right, really easy and tasty. So let's get into it. So guys, I have the wings that were washed with lemon juice and some cold water and then pat dried. And then all we're gonna do is just season. I have paprika, ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder, some salt, some black pepper. If you wanna add some of my green seasoning, or if you have green seasoning already, you could add that here as well. All right, I'm just making it really simple. Okay, if you don't have all of these individual spices, then just use your favorite poultry seasoning. Then I'm going to be adding some wet jerk seasoning. Usually I use more than this, but if I'm giving my 3-year-old any of the meal, I always use less. Okay, usually about a tablespoon per pound is good. And some browning for color. Browning, of course, is caramelized sugar, really dark, so it gives that beautiful rich color. Rub this up together, cover it up, and marinate overnight. Now the next day, I line my baking tray with foil and then I grease it. You could use parchment paper if you prefer and just lay the wings on top. That's it. Bake this at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, okay? And then once you take it out of the oven, you're gonna have some heated barbecue sauce. Just use your favorite barbecue sauce or my homemade recipe. Just heat it up on the stove, that's it. And you're going to be brushing this all over the wings. So brush it on this side here and then flip them and brush them again. Okay. Then you're going to be putting it in the oven and you're baking it at 360 degrees. Now baking it at 360 is going to make it really juicy. You're going to be basting it with that same barbecue sauce every 15 minutes. So every 15 minutes, take it out of the oven, brush on more sauce, put it back in the oven. All right, so about 45 to 50 minutes more and you should be good. All right, and what I like to do in the end for the last maybe 2 minutes is turn on the broiler and look at that. You'll get that really sticky caramelized sauce on top. I do that at the end and that's optional. I just like to have those nice little slightly burnt edges and that nice caramelization going on. But guys, this is so delicious. There's some sticky sauce and then it's also a little chewy on some parts of the chicken. So delicious. If you like a lot of sauce, then just double up on your sauce. But look at this, it is amazing. That nice heat from the jerk and then the sweet from the barbecue. So delicious. So give it a try and let me know what you think. All right, see you guys next time.